Meet the Mafell FLEXI-GUIDE Rail, FX140, the ultimate game changer for precision cuts that flow as smoothly as your imagination. This flexible rail bends perfectly along curves or locks, straight for flawless long cuts, giving you total control in every move. Built from tough aluminum, it's lightweight yet rock solid on any surface. The anti-slip backing holds firm, so no wobble, no drift, just pure accuracy. Whether you're cutting tabletops or shaping creative patterns, this rail follows your command effortlessly. Pair it with your favorite saw and experience surgical precision in your hands. With Mafell's engineering magic, every project turns into a masterpiece. The Bessey KF4 Kantenfix Edge Clamp is the secret weapon every woodworker wishes they found sooner. It grips both the surface and the edge at once, locking veneers or laminates perfectly flat with zero slip. Its dual pressure design keeps everything tight and aligned for flawless glue joints. Crafted from heavy-duty steel with smooth screw action, this clamp brings precision where it matters most. No more juggling clamps or redoing edges. This one tool handles it all. It's compact, fast, and incredibly easy to adjust even in tight corners. If you want perfect edges every single time, this is your go-to clamp. The Morgan Square by Kiwi Vision is not your average square. It's a precision powerhouse designed for builders who think ahead. Machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, it feels solid, sharp, and built for accuracy that never fades. Every angle, bevel, and layout is instantly ready with its laser-etched markings and smart measuring edges. Need perfect miters or straight layouts? This square delivers it in seconds. It replaces multiple measuring tools, keeping your workflow clean and efficient. Compact, durable, and brilliantly engineered, it's the one square that raises your game instantly. Once you use it, your old tools just won't cut it anymore. The Rockler Detail Scraper is that tiny hero that saves your projects from imperfection. Its razor-sharp carbide blade removes dried glue, paint, and stubborn grime without damaging your wood. Designed for total control, its ergonomic handle lets you reach corners, carvings, and joints effortlessly. This is the tool that turns rough spots into flawless finishes in seconds. Perfect for furniture repair, fine detailing, or prepping before staining. It handles it all with ease. The replaceable blade ensures it stays sharp and ready for action every time. Small in size but mighty in precision, this scraper defines smooth perfection. The Woodpeckers Tools. Joinery Sled transforms your table saw into a joinery powerhouse, letting you craft flawless miters, tenons, and more with its sturdy aluminum frame and adjustable fences. It's like having a master craftsman guiding your cuts, ensuring every joint fits like a glove. The micro-adjust knobs make fine-tuning a breeze, so you're not wrestling with guesswork, just pure, satisfying accuracy. Pair it with the Sled's zero-clearance base, and you've got tear-out-free cuts that'll impress even the pickiest woodworker. Whether you're building furniture or tackling custom projects, this Sled's a game changer. It's all about precision right out of the gate, setting the stage for a killer workflow. You'll see how it elevates every cut into something special. Stick around. This lineup's packed with tools to make your shop hum. The Kreg Jig R3 slides into the scene, perfect for anyone itching to master pocket hole joinery without breaking the bank. This compact beast punches above its weight, drilling precise angled holes into wood for screws that lock joints tight. Think cabinets or shelves that won't wobble. Its lightweight design fits right in your hand, and the included clamp pad keeps your workpiece steady as a rock. Setup's a snap with the depth gauge, so you're not fumbling with measurements mid-project. From flawless cuts to rock-solid assembly, you're building a workflow that flows like a dream. It's ideal for beginners or pros who want quick, strong joints without the hassle. Watch your projects come together faster than ever. This little jig is a shop essential. Say hello to the BUCKTOOL Direct Drive Bench Belt and Disc Sander, a must-have for smoothing out rough stock with ease. This powerhouse combines a 4x 36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc, driven by a quiet, efficient motor that cuts through vibration like butter. No more hand-sanding headaches. Just tilt the belt from 0 to 90 degrees and shape edges or flatten surfaces effortlessly. The cast iron base keeps it steady, so you're not chasing it across your bench mid-job. Dust ports mean your shop stays cleaner, letting you focus on the craft, not the mess. Pair it with crisp cuts, and your pieces are ready for assembly in no time. It's a workhorse that bridges raw lumber to finished perfection. Sanding's never been this smooth. Time to slice through plywood like a hot knife through butter with the Makita SH02Z 12-volt max CXT lithium-ion cordless circular saw. This lightweight champ weighs under 4 pounds, so you're not fighting arm fatigue while trimming panels or breaking down sheets. The 3 3/8-inch blade spins at 1,500 RPM, delivering clean cuts with a handy LED light to keep your line in sight. Its cordless freedom means you're not tethered to an outlet, perfect for tight spaces or outdoor builds. Battery life solid, and the ergonomic grip feels like an extension of your hand. This saw refines your stock with surgical precision. Cut loose and watch your project take shape. It's a cordless wonder for any woodworker. Enter the RIDGID 18-volt brushless cordless 7¼ rear handle circular saw, a beast for bigger jobs with serious power. With a full-size 7¼ blade and brushless motor, it rips through 2x4s and sheet goods like they're paper, all while sipping battery life for longer runtime. The rear handle design gives you leverage for deeper cuts, and the LED light keeps your path crystal clear. Dust blower? Yep, it's got that, keeping sawdust from clouding your vision. It tackles framing or furniture with pro-level confidence. It's cordless muscle that doesn't quit, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Power up your cuts with this shop titan. You'll feel the difference in every pass. Every woodworker needs a solid base, and the Keter Folding Worktable EX with extendable legs delivers just that. This foldable wonder pops up in seconds, supporting 1,000 pounds, plenty for sawn lumber or cut panels. Adjustable legs let you tweak the height, so you're not hunching over or stretching awkwardly. Clamps lock your workpiece tight, freeing your hands for sanding or drilling. It's lightweight and portable, collapsing down when the job's done, so your shop stays clutter-free. This table's your command center for assembly or finishing. It ties your workflow together like a pro, a game changer for any project. The MicroJig ZEROPLAY 360 Sled Kit takes your table saw game to new heights with incredible precision. This kit crafts a custom-fit sled with zero side play thanks to its clever top-down adjustment system. Your cuts stay dead-on accurate. It's lightweight yet rigid, gliding smoothly for miters, crosscuts, or even small parts with total control. The included stop block and clamps make repeat cuts a cinch, perfect for batching out project pieces. Every edge aligns perfectly before assembly. It's like giving your saw a PhD in precision. Watch your accuracy soar with this genius design. It's a must for clean, consistent cuts. Speaking of precision, the Wolfcraft Dowelmaster is your ticket to flawless dowel joints that rival pocket holes. This jig aligns and drills dowel holes with pinpoint accuracy, handling edges, corners, and T-joints like a pro. Steel bushings guide your bit, so there's no wobble. Just clean, straight holes every time. It's compact, easy to clamp, and works with multiple wood thicknesses, making it a versatile shop buddy. These dowels lock your pieces into heirloom quality builds. No glue mess-ups here. The Dowelmaster keeps it tight and right. Your joints will thank you for this one. It's dowel perfection in a small package. For those intricate finishes, the MicroLux Micro Power Sander is a detailer's dream after joinery work. This palm-sized sander tackles tight corners and small surfaces with a gentle touch, running at variable speeds up to 11,000 RPM. Its triangular pad gets into nooks that bigger sanders can't touch, perfect for prepping trim or small ends. Dust collection keeps your workspace tidy, and the ergonomic design saves your hands from cramping. It's a 1-2 sanding punch from coarse to fine in minutes. It's the secret weapon for flawless small-scale work. Get those details shining bright. A tiny tool with big impact. Projects piling up? The BESTOOL Portable Moving. Dolly hauls your wood around like a champ after sanding and cutting. With a 1,000-pound capacity and smooth rolling casters, it glides lumber from your saw to the table without breaking your back. The non-slip surface keeps stacks secure, and its compact size tucks away when not in use. It's your shop mule keeping the workflow moving. It's simple, sturdy, and a total time saver. Move your materials like a pro with this handy helper. No more heavy lifting, just smooth rolling. A shop essential for big jobs. Safety meets precision with the MicroJig Grr-ripper2 Go, a must-have for guiding stock through your saws and sleds. This push blocks adjustable legs grip boards tight, keeping your hands miles from the blade while you rip or crosscut. The green grip surface hugs wood like glue, and the balance support steadies narrow cuts with ease. It's lightweight, durable, and cuts kickback risk to zero. This keeps your fingers safe and your lines true. Cut with confidence every time you push through. It's a safety game changer for any woodworker. Grip it and rip it. The KIMO 20-volt 18-gauge cordless brad nailer stapler kit brings finishing power to your fingertips after safe cuts. This cordless wonder drives brads or staples into trim, molding, or panels with zero hoses to trip over. Its adjustable depth control means no overdriving, just clean flush results every time. The LED light and quick-release magazine keep you nailing without pause, and the battery lasts through big jobs. Your project's ready to shine with this tool in hand. It's fast, portable, and a finish carpenter's best friend. Nail those details with ease. A cordless finishing dream. For larger surfaces, the Jellas 7-ampere belt sander with dust bag, smooth stock fast after trim work. With a 3x21-inch belt and 7 amperes of power, it levels rough boards or flattens glue-ups in a flash. Variable speed lets you dial in control, while the dust bag keeps sawdust at bay. Your lungs will thank you. The ergonomic handles make long sessions comfy, and it's built tough for years of use. This sander preps wide panels like a pro. Smooth the way to perfection with raw power. It's a beast for big sanding jobs. Flatten it out fast. The MicroLux power plane trims stock with finesse after sanding it flat. This mini plane shaves wood down to exact thicknesses, perfect for small parts or fitting joints. Its adjustable blade and lightweight body give you control big planes can't match, with a smooth finish that skips sanding steps. It's a detail tool that shines on cut edges or small projects. Watch it demoed online. It's a hidden gem for precision work. Your pieces fit like puzzle perfection with this one. Plane away with micro accuracy, a small tool with huge results. Drilling just got smarter with the Milescraft DrillMatePRO, a guide that turns your hand drill into a mini drill press. This jig adjusts to any angle, locking in for straight or angled holes with zero drift. The metal guide rods and depth stop ensure consistency, whether you're doweling or shelf pinning. It's portable, clamps fast, and works with any drill, versatility at its best. This adds precision boring to your kit. Drill like a pro with every hole spot on. It's a game changer for accurate drilling. Bore with confidence. The Woodpeckers Dual Beam. SCRIBE marks your wood with laser-like accuracy after drilling holes. This one-time tool's dual beams let you trace edges or transfer layouts with zero guesswork, perfect for fitting cut pieces. The hardened steel points scribe crisp lines on any surface, and the adjustable design hugs contours like a glove. It's a craftsman's dream for layout work before sawing or nailing. Your prep's flawless with this in hand. Mark your way to perfection every time. It's a scribing masterpiece. Layouts don't get better, outs. The Rockler trim gauge keeps your cuts dialed in after scribing lines. This handy jig sets your saw or router for perfect trim widths, locking in measurements with a sliding stop. It's simple, sturdy, and cut setup time, ideal for molding or edge work after nailing. No more eyeballing, just repeatable precision every pass. This finishes the detail game strong. Trim like a master with every cut spot on. It's a small tool with big impact. Precision trimming made easy. Hinges on point? The Milescraft 1342 EuroHingeJig makes concealed hinge installation a breeze after trimming. This jig drills perfect 35mm holes for Euro hinges, with adjustable stops for consistent spacing. Think sleek cabinets or doors. It's fast to set up, clamps tight, and works with any drill, saving you hours of fiddling. This specializes your hinge game with pro results. Hang doors like a pro every time. It's a cabinet maker's secret weapon. Hinge it up flawlessly. Keep your workflow moving with the Laguna Tools XP14 and XP20 flexible roller conveyor tables after hinging up your builds. These expandable rollers support long boards or heavy panels, guiding them from saw to sander without a hitch. Adjustable height and sturdy steel construction handle up to 1,000 pounds. Perfect for hefty cut stock. They fold away when done, keeping your shop lean. This scales up your material handling game. Move like a pro with ease. It's a shop saver for big projects. Roll it smooth. Finally, the Woodpeckers tools. Ultimate doweling jig ties it all together with unmatched precision. This beefy jig drills multiple dowel holes at once, with micro adjustments for dead-on alignment. Think rock-solid furniture joints. Hardened steel bushings and a heavy-duty frame mean it's built to last, handling thick stock with ease. This locks your project into heirloom territory. It's the pinnacle of dowel perfection in your shop. Build with confidence and strength. Joints don't get tougher than this. That's our lineup. Build something epic. The Rockler Juice Groove Scraper is built for those who crave that flawless finishing touch on cutting boards. Its curved stainless steel blade hugs every groove perfectly, clearing out glue and residue like magic. With its ergonomic handle, it gives you complete control without slipping or scratching. Ideal for keeping your juice grooves clean, neat, and ready for oiling or finishing. It's durable, rust-resistant, and designed to fit perfectly in hand. Whether you craft boards for clients or just love woodworking, this tool makes cleanup quick and satisfying. It's one of those tools that feels so good, you'll actually look forward to using it. Keep your blades cutting clean and smooth with the Rockler Saw Blade Cleaning Kit, your workshop's secret maintenance weapon. It comes with a sturdy tray, a powerful cleaning solution, and a scrub brush that makes grime vanish fast. Just soak, scrub, rinse, and your blades are back to factory sharpness. Clean blades mean faster cuts, cooler operation, and longer lifespan, saving you money in the long run. The wide tray fits big blades easily while keeping your hands safe from sharp edges. No more dull performance or burnt cuts. This kit keeps your tools at their best. Give your blades the care they deserve and watch the difference instantly. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.